Welcome back to my channel, and today I've come back with another video, guys. So as you saw in the title, today I'll be showing you how do I fill in my eyebrows. So guys, I'm not a makeup artist, and actually I'm just trying to share with you some of the tips, the products which I do use to fill in my eyebrows, and actually this is my daily routine. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as you can see, this is my before. Actually, I don't have eyebrows. This is how my eyebrows they do look like when I don't fill them up. By the way, I don't mind about my messy hair. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, what you need actually a concealer, my brush which I do use to draw my eyebrows, the brush to go through my eyebrows, and actually this is the eyebrow pencil which I do use. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, I'll keep on combing through my eyebrows so that I may make it look natural actually. So this is how far I have gone. I know guys, it's not easy to make the arch, and I'm trying my best. Actually, also me, I'm a beginner. So this is how it looks like. Try to go through to make it look natural. Yep. Okay guys, so let me just come through, then I'll blend my concealer. So guys, I'll be doing the second eyebrow off from the camera, then I'll come back with the final result. So guys, as you can see, this is how my eyebrows turned out, and actually this is my daily routine, and this video is only for the beginners, guys. So this is how I do fill in my eyebrows every morning before I go to work. So I'll leave all the list of the products in the description box below, guys. Which type of eyebrow pencils did I use, etc. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel, and if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video. Bisous.